Here is how to make Excel files more fun and more usable at your organization or workplace, whatever it might be. So I got the tablet here. It's a 25 quid Nexus 7, 10 years old. And on your right, you got the stream of the screen, so you see exactly what I'm doing. Now, I'm gonna look up a order. Keep in mind this is an Excel powered database running on top of a free web server. All of the tools I use to build this are for free, and it's not really that complicated. You can run it at on your laptop or little server at work. Doesn't really matter. So you can create these kind of things. So this just makes life so much easier when you have an Excel file and you just would like people across the organization to have access to the data. So for instance, I'm gonna look up this lovely product here. Keep in mind that this is the Smiling Troll Distillery Limited, the STD. I love in the name. So as you can tell, I can scroll through this product, get some of the, technical details like the barcode, the outer barcode, the pallet quantity, the weight of each bottle, the weight of a case, and the pallet weight. So this is a very nice tool to look up all of the information about the product. The data here might not be super accurate or real world because it's all been randomly generated with certain constraints. So I wouldn't worry about the accuracy of the data. The speed of the database, it's not perfect because it's powered via Excel. However, it's not performing that bad. I've seen worse. So yeah, we're looking up a customer. So things in yellow are like general information, green are sales related, and brown is more like technical stuff. So you can have a tablet or a phone. I'll show that in a second. Nice and quick. You just plug in the address, and there you go, off to the races, and you see the data that you want to see. Oh, that was super quick. This is not perfect because I have to scroll a bit to the right, but yeah, that will do. You might optimize these things. Let's have a look at this random order. And yeah, you can tell it's a bit of a slowdown now. Yeah, keep in mind that this Excel file has like 500,000 entries in the sales, 2,500 products, so it's quite a hefty Excel file. So it might take some time. What else do I want to look at? I want to look at this customer, but large trader. Reese Jasso is a claims talker. Funny things. So yeah, you can just browse things and look them up rather than looking at Excel and trying to figure out what is what. You could have obviously macros, VB scripts and macros and all that jazz, but really, sometimes this is just better. This is just a web interface. So here, for instance, I got the page loaded. I think I got one just to show you. This might be still too bright. Jesus, too many notifications there. So as you can tell, works on the phone as well. So anyone in the business organization whips up the phone, has a bookmark address, and there you go, off to the races. Obviously, you could have a login page to use your credentials to so everyone can't just nilly-willy get on your Wi-Fi and see everything. But that's not a complicated change. Let's see how fast it is from the phone. Should be the same, doesn't matter, but sometimes it just takes extra time to load up, like now. and yeah. Here we go. Eventually got there. So this is Lexi Burt's floor finisher. Okay, great. This is all randomly generated, so don't worry. So yeah, I think it's really cool. More people should take advantages of these tools and build these little intranets for the businesses, rather than, you know, having everyone on Excel and accessing the file and who updated the file. Is it open for writing? Can I open it now? No, I can't because Susie's in it or Adam's in it, etc., etc. Lots of kind of problems with this. It's just a web interface. Everyone can go on it from the browser, from the desktop, laptop, mobile, etc., etc. And I think you got the general gist by now. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.